Hello everyone, this is Deepak Sharma from Techies vlog. Today we are going to learn what is imperatively route. So guys, I'm explaining by example. I want to redirect page. If any form submission, after form submission, I want to redirect the page on success page. So in this case, how we can handle this scenario in Next.js. So guys, we have able to cover almost routing need by next/link, but you can also do client side navigation without it. So guys, now we are going to check by example. npm start. So guys, our project have run. That the home page I have removed all these section and create a button submit and click and submit. We need to import router router equal to use router. Now guys, we have created the after click submit button handle submit. Now we are going to create a method and then submit. Console.log success. After the success, I want to redirect the page on about us page. Or I want to redirect the post page after the submission. Now router.push slash post. Now we got a submit button. After the click on submit button, we got our page redirected to post page. I think post page not created. Post we need to redirect a slug also. If I have created this, now if we redirect, we got post, we redirect to post page. So guys, I hope you understand the how we can handle redirection by programmatically. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like a video, please subscribe and click on bell icon. And okay guys, thank you so much.